Hi, I'm here today to help you with your rounding to the nearest 10 input page. Looks like this. If you don't have it already, pause the video and go get it. Now that we're ready to work, let's look at our first sentence. We round because it is easy to work with multiples of 10. It's easy for us to think about tens. It's easy for us to count by tens. It's easy for us to add tens, subtract tens. So that's why we would want to round to the nearest 10. It's easier to work with. And if you don't have to have an exact answer, it's much faster. Okay, rounding means finding which multiple of blank a number is closest to. Which multiple of 10 a number is closest to. Okay, this is a vertical number line. We learned about vertical number lines yesterday when we were finding the amount of liquid in different containers. Okay, so this is a vertical number line. We use vertical number lines to round to the nearest 10 because it helps us see which 10 your number is closest to. So we have some things to read. To round a number to the nearest 10, prepare your vertical number line. Then place your number on the number line. Okay, we need to know what preparing our number line is like, and so luckily there are some labels for us. So we'll start at the bottom. Multiple of 10 below the number. Midpoint between the two tens. Multiple of 10 above the number. Okay, so let's say our number was 26. The multiple of 10 below it, what's the 10 under 26? It's 20. The multiple of 10 above 26 is 30. So 26 is between 20 and 30. And then the midpoint is going to be 25. Okay? If the number is on, now I'm going back to the text. If the number is on or above the midpoint, round. Well, if it's above, we're going to go up. Round up. If the number is below the midpoint, round down. So notice it said on or above the midpoint, we round up. There's no reason for that. There's no reason that a 5 would round up, except that we have all agreed that it does. Because there could be a lot of misunderstandings if some people rounded 5 up and some people rounded 5 down. We just made that decision. There's no reason it should be 5 rounding up other than everyone agreed that it would. Okay, that's important to remember because you're going to get 5s and you need to know always just go up with the 5s. All right, now we have some examples to look at. So 37 rounds to. Well, I have to prepare my number line first. So 30 is between 30 and 40. So I'm going to put 30 on the bottom and 40 on the top. And halfway would be 35. So I've got that on there. So my number line is all ready for me to put 37 on. So 37, 30, 35, 36. All right, well, 37 would be about here. Probably a little higher. Doesn't really matter because I know it's above the midpoint, so it's going to round up to 40. Okay, let's look at our next example, 82. So 82 is between 80 and 90. 80 and 90, and halfway between 80 and 90 is 85. My number line is prepared. 82 would go about here. It is below the midpoint, so I know it rounds down. Okay, 55. 55 is between 50 and 60. And the midpoint is 55. Oh, that's the same number. Luckily, I remember that 5s round up. So it will become 60. Okay, that's it. It's time for you to tackle the output page. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.